Wadidaw! Look at this, guys! Wow! Animals! Wow, this is a wild animals. Cool, I like it all. Let's collect it, guys. Yo! Wow! This is the first animal. A beetle. Red black beetle. Cool. I like it. Yo! Wow! What is this? This is a lobster. Whoa, cool guys. I like lobster. Yoo-hoo-hoo! Wow! This is a tiger. Wow, a big tiger. Wow, this is a hungry tiger. I like it. Wow, this is the biggest animal here. Wow, this is a brachiosaurus. Cool, purple brachiosaurus. I like it. Let's collect it. Yoo-hoo-hoo! Wow! This is a little dinosaur. A gray color of dinosaur. Wow! This is so cool, man. Let's collect it. The next one is a giraffe. Wow! We have a giraffe here. Oh! Brown color of giraffe is so cute. Wow! The next one is a cow. Oh, we have a cow now. Whoa. I like this cow. Black and white. Yo-ho-ho. Wow. An elephant. This is a little elephant. Cool. Gray color of elephant is so nice. And this is the last one. What is this, guys? Wow. This is a tortoise. Cool, a cute tortoise is here. Wow. I like it all.